Hi friends, hope all is well with you. Today I am going to do a theorem on circle, which is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Angles in the same segment means two angles are standing on the same segment, they are equal. That we have to prove. Angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. That we have to prove. This is a statement. Now I have drawn a circle here and two angles. These two angles are standing on this same segment AC. Two angles are standing on same segment AC. Two angles are A, B, C and another angle is ADC. Two angles are standing on the same segment AC. And we have to prove angle ABC equal to angle ADC. These two angles should be equal. That we have to prove. Let's see. To prove the theorem, first we need given. So here I down given. What you have to write? O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle, and angle ABC and angle ABC and angle ADC. Both are standing on same base. Both are standing on same base or same segment. Also we can write down standing on same segment. Same segment AC. This is given. O is the center of the circle, and angle ABC and angle ADC both are standing on the same segment AC. Now we have to prove. To prove, what we have to prove? Angle, this angle and this angle. Angle ABC equal to angle ADC. This we have to prove. Now construction. To prove this theorem, we need to construct from here. If we will join this AO and OC, then what will we get? This angle AOC will be central angle. Angle AOC will be central angle and ABC will be inscribed angle. Then from the relation of central angle and inscribed angle, we can prove this. Let's see. Construction, first we have to write down. Join AO and CO. Now proof. In proof, what we have to write down? This side statements and this side regions. Now to prove this, number 1, can we write angle AOC, or let's first write down this angle ABC, angle ABC equal to half of angle AOC. I have written here angle ABC equal to half of angle AOC. ABC equal to half of angle AOC. In previous theorem we have done central angle is double of inscribed angle or inscribed angle is half of central angle, and both are standing on the same segment. Then we can write this. So here we can write down in region central angle or inscribed angle. First we have write down. So let's write down inscribed angle. Inscribed angle is half of inscribed angle is half of central angle. This relation we have already proved. Now number 2. Now can we write angle ADC? Angle ADC equal to again half of AOC, because this angle is also standing, this inscribed angle is standing on same segment AC, and this central angle is also standing on this segment AC. So again we can write down same thing, angle ADC, angle ADC equal to half of angle AOC, central angle. In region we can write down same region we should write down. Now number 3, but students should write down here. And number 3, now both are equal, means angle ABC is half of AOC and angle ADC is also half of AOC. Then can we write this angle B and angle D both are equal? Let's see. Both are equal here, so we can write down angle ABC equal to angle ADC. Angle ABC equal to angle ADC. In region number 3 we can write down from number 1 and 2. Here proved. This we have to prove. I think all of you have understood this. If you have any problem, then you can write message in comment box. Thank you.